That damn dog! Look, mother me.
You attract like that people, isn't it? It's not fair. Exactly. You know?
Oh God! Ah! Die staat ook ze. We are walking through haunted woods. It's haunted, really? Pretty haunted. Really haunted.
Do you want me to tell you about the ghost that like? Should I tell them about the boy that died here a million years ago?
Go
Not a
then.
million, but yeah. Right. He was walking through the wood like this, and then he just suddenly turned around. Because he saw the same shape.
Oh!
Then he turned around and he got petrified because he saw a hallucination of a firework going through a boy's head. And then he died. Then no one saw him again. And apparently at night, you can see his ghost getting hit through the head by a firework. Because it's a legacy, so maybe we'll see one. And then we'll die as well. Ah.
Where are we going?
There's a gate there!
There's a right.
What the hell?
Oh, so they're walking there.
Oh, yeah.
That's right over there. Is
Have a ride.
Is that Bernie? It's not even there.
That's because they said they'll be here in 20 minutes, so.
Here's a tennis court. There's boys playing tennis. Hot. Alright, we're gonna go now. Say bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye.
We love you, YouTube.
Bye.
Wait.
We hot you. We love you.